Hey everyone, Sara from Edcafe. Today we are going to create a writing activity for students that comes with ready AI feedback using Edcafe's quiz feature. So when you create a quiz, of course, you have the question and you have a suggested answer. But when you're using short answer questions with Edcafe's quiz feature, you can also get this ready AI feedback based on the students' responses. That way they can get some feedback based on their writing responses to these writing prompt questions. So to create this quiz, let's go into Create New. Click on Quiz, and for our topic today, we're just going to do AI terms, and we're going to change our question type to short answer. Let's just do 5 questions here, and then we can add in our additional instructions. So each question should ask for a brief writing, focusing on the factual accuracy. Then you can also add in your student level. So today, we're just going to do second year high school, and then we can generate our quiz. So using those prompts, you can see that we now have our questions and our suggested answers. And when you share it with students after saving it in your Edcafe library and they respond, they'll be able to see this AI feedback after every single question.